Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you as well. Today, we are out in the garden, and we're going to do some spring planting of cucumbers, radishes, and squash. Let's get started. We're here in front of the trellis that we installed a couple videos back, and we are going to plant some slicing cucumbers, 2 in this bed and 2 in the bed behind it. Now, these I started from seed inside the house, and as you can see, they look pretty good. And all I'm going to do is pop a hole in the soil, pop them in, backfill, and just like that we have one in. We'll come over to the other side and do the same thing. And backfill. And just like that we have 2 planted. Hopefully they will grow up and over, and we will have cucumbers that will be hanging from the trellis. We're going to go over to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. Pop a little hole in here. Get our plant. Pop it in the hole. Backfill. Do another hole here. And pop it in. And just like that, we have our cucumbers planted. These were grown from seeds that I got from Haas Tools. And when we're finished planting everywhere, we'll go ahead and turn the drip system on and give them a nice long drink. In this bed, we're going to plant some crookneck squash, or one. And these were also started inside. And as you can see, they look very nice. And as always, we're going to pop a hole, drop the plant in, backfill. We're going to take our label and put it over here. And as I said, this is my crookneck variety. We're going to take another one. Here we go. And we're going to put this one here. And we'll put another one up here. And just like that, we have 3 crookneck in. Now on the other side, we're going to plant 3 scallops. Well, 2 scallops actually. So we're going to take this one. And as you can see, the roots look real good. I'm going to move this out of the way for now. And we're going to put it here in front of our drip emitter. Pop it in. Backfill. Even the soil out. And we have one planted. And we'll take the other one and put it up here. So in this bed, we're going to plant some Black Beauty zucchini. And we have 3 of them. And here is what it looks like. And same as we did the other ones, we're going to find a emitter. Pop a hole into the soil. And place the plant into the hole. Backfill. And just like that, we have one planted. Okay, we're going to come over and go to the next one. We'll place it here. I'm going to pop this one out. Again, look at the roots and all, very good. We're going to pop it in. And we have 2. And the last one we're going to plant here. Pop this out. Take our label out. Pop it in. Backfill. Put a little bit of the mulch back around. And just like that, we're finished planting our black zucchini. So I'll put the label. My Brussels sprout bed, and Brussels sprouts are actually getting bigger. And it looks as if we are going to have a little harvest of Brussels sprouts this year. I am very, very, very much happy about that. In this bed, we're going to plant some half-long green daikon radishes. And the reason I'm planting this is I want to be able to try to make some kimchi and use the radishes in the making of the kimchi. So I got these seeds from Jera's garden off of Etsy, and we're going to go ahead and plant some of these here. And just going to move some of the mulch out of the way. And I'm going to dig a little furrow along the drip line. And we're going to drop some of these in. And we're just going to lightly brush the soil back over them. And hopefully in a few days, we'll have germination. These are my collard greens that we had covered for almost a month, no lie. And we had them covered that long in order to protect a rogue tomato vine from all the cold fronts that we had coming through. So when I removed the covering, the tomato vine had died anyway. So they were literally covered for nothing. They look good. I have to come out and remove the dead and sickly leaves, but they look good. It looks like they grew. I have been watering them and feeding them like I normally do. The only difference is they were covered, and they look pretty well. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this planting of cucumbers, radishes, and squash, and zucchini. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed it, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, think about doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.